Hello, and this is my video for Lab 4. Right now, I am showing you the script file I wrote for task 1. It installs all the dependencies that are needed for snort and then executes snort in sniffing mode. I had already done this previously, so when I execute this file, which I am doing now, it'll basically say that all the dependencies are already installed and will start running snort, as you can see here. Now I'm going to end the snorts session to show you the output, and snort is working. Now we're on to task 2. Right now I'm starting up snort in sniffing mode, and on the Kali VM I already have the command for executing a network map entered, and I've just executed it, and now you'll see snort logging all of the traffic that is coming in from the network map. And it should be done right about now. And now I will stop snort from executing. And as you can see, all of the traffic was coming in on the Ethernet protocol. Basically, what all these log messages are saying is the Kali VM was calling from port like 53,000 something to port 22 on the victim machine. And it's basically just trying to bombard this and see if it can connect. There are a few echo requests in there just it's trying to scan everything to see if there's an opening. Yep, there it is. 100% of the traffic is on the Ethernet protocol. Now on to task 3. Right now I'm starting up the snort logging or snort to log a DOS attack on the log directory we just created. On the Kali machine, I have already configured the exploit for attacking the victim. I just ran it for like 3 seconds, and now I'm going to stop snort. And as you can see, in the 24 seconds it was running, it had received over 12,000 packets. Now, this is extremely characteristic of a denial of service attack, just bombarding a single port with thousands, hundreds, or tens of thousands of packets. Now I'm going to read the log that snort generated using snort-r, otherwise it'd just be a binary file, and this is unpacking the logs. And what these logs told me was that the victim machine had to respond to a outside the network machine that was calling from many different ports at the same time, just basically overloading it, resulting in a denial of service attack. And now finally on to task 4. I wrote 3 snort rules, as you can see here. All 3 of them are alerts. The first one is saying alert that someone is has used facebook.com on my PC. One of them is an alert if the attacker VM is doing anything on port 22. And the third rule is alert if a possible DDoS attack is going on from any machine on port 80. And I just executed a denial of service attack on my VM, and it logged all of the hits saying suspected DOS attack from attacker VM. And now I'm going to start up snort again. I'm going to open up Firefox. Actually, I'm going to open it in an incognito window. Then I'm going to go to www.facebook.com to show that the rule is in place and in fact working. So to facebook.com, it's loading and ta-da! Someone's using Facebook on your PC. And finally, to prove that the third rule is working, I'm going to exit out of Metasploit and run a nmap on the victim VM. And pretty soon you'll see 2 from port scanning port 80, and the rest are trying to scan port 22. Thank you for watching.